Hello everyone, great to have your company right here on Calkine TV. I'm Rose Jacobs and you're watching Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be looking at the earnings hits and misses of the ASX healthcare sector. The Omicron variant of COVID-19 affected many healthcare business operations right across Australia, hitting their sales and revenue numbers. However, some healthcare sector companies ended up benefiting from the pandemic owing to their COVID-19 related products and services. As the December month ended, many ASX-listed companies announced quarterly updates, while others released half-yearly results. Today, we'll discuss some of the hits and misses from these companies' quarterly, half-yearly reports for the period ended 31st of December 2021. Here are the ASX-listed firms which shined through the December quarter. Medadvisor, a leading medication management platform, witnessed significant transaction growth following the COVID-19 vaccine rollout as its pharmacies took part in vaccine administration. Its +1 booking facility also contributed to transaction revenue in the second quarter of financial year 22. Medadvisor increased its operating revenue by 17.5% to Australian $23.2 million on a like-for-like basis. During the same period, its receipts from operations grew 96.8% compared to the previous corresponding period. Medadvisor stock is currently trading at $0.34 per share. Cogstate made excellent sales contracts in 2022. It executed US $13.7 million of clinical trials sales contracts, taking the first half of financial year 22 to a record US $54.5 million. For that period, the company's revenue was $10.8 million, a surge of 40% compared to the previous corresponding period. Specifically, clinical trial revenue was up by 43% and healthcare revenue was up by 31%. Overall, the company increased its revenue for the first half of financial year 22 by 67%, with healthcare revenue up by a massive 93% compared to the Cogstate stock. It's currently trading at $1.72 per share. Resmed exhibited robust performance with revenue of $894.9 million in the second quarter of financial year 22, up by 12% compared to prior comparable period, despite obstacles in the supply chain. The company's global team continued to find ways to deliver products and services to their customers. It reported a gross margin of 56.4% and a 12% rise in income from operations. Resmed stock is currently trading at $31.93 per share. And now let's take a look at ASX-listed firms in healthcare space whose profits tumbled. Ansell reported its profits shrunk by over 27% in the first half of financial year 22, and that's despite an 8% growth in organic sales compared to the first half of financial year 21. The company's earnings per share also decreased by 26.5%. Ansell's production was hampered by COVID-19, mainly in Southeast Asia. The pandemic created hindrances in worker recruitment, shipping and logistics, and also resulted in intermittent shutdown of manufacturing units. Ansell stock is currently trading at $25.56 per share. CSL, an ASX-listed healthcare giant, registered a revenue growth of 4% in the first half of financial 22, but its net profit after tax declined by 5% at constant currency. The company reported earnings per share of $3.77, which has also reduced by 5% at constant currency. However, in the same quarter, CSL made a remarkable achievement by entering an agreement to acquire Vifor Pharma, a global pharmaceutical company specialising in renal disease and iron deficiency. The company is expecting NPAT for financial year 22 in the range of US $2.15 billion to US $2.25 billion. CSL's stock is currently trading at Australian $264.19 per share. And that's it for now with the Buzzing Trends show. Be sure to join us again for the next show with the latest market insights. Till then, stay tuned with Calkine TV for more stock, business and economy related hot trends.